As we're looking at the other half of the lesson, we're going to focus on the word disjunction. So once again, you were standing up if you had on maroon or you had shoelaces. Either one could be true or both could be true. Let me show you what this looks like when we translate it to math stuff. X is less than 3. So here I'm going to put 3 on the number line. 4, 5, 6, 7. X is less than 3. Where do I shade? To the which way? To the left. So everyone shade left. Or X is greater than or equal to 7. Where do I shade? To the right. What numbers will satisfy the answer X is less than 3 or X is greater than 7? Brett?
Anything besides numbers.
Okay, anything besides what's in between. So is my answer both sections? Yeah. Do I care if they cross? Could they cross? They could. Would it matter? So long as either one is true, we're okay. So the answer algebraically is this. There's no way to write this, Carson, as a combined inequality, like we did on the previous lesson. And the answer graphically is what's below. Yes, thank you for the correction. The 7 should be colored in. Excellent catch. All right. Next one. Greater than negative 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Which way do I shade? To the right. So far, I have half the number line, right? Now, less than or equal to negative 4. I'm in red now. Which way do I shade? To the left. Now, right here, notice what I'm about to shade through. What happened to that circle? It just did what? What's shaded? What does red or blue cover? Everything. Now, for something to be true, it must be either greater than negative 1 or less than 4. What numbers satisfy those conditions? Someone said it. Who said it? Shalon, did you say it? I thought I heard someone say all real numbers. Can you think of a number that will not satisfy either the first one or the second one? There's not one, because the whole number line is shaded. So what's the answer? Algebraically, that's the answer. You have to use words here. Graphically, you shade the whole number line. What about the former open circle at negative 1? What did that get filled in by? The things that were less than or equal to 4. So on your number line, just shade the whole thing. So we have two scenarios here. Going out or completely covering. Both are possibilities. Let's look down here. Example 3. You've got 0 and 2. Which way am I going with 2? Everything that's where? Which way? To the left. Now what about the 0? Everything that's where? Where is the answer then? Think with me. Where's my answer? The answer is what's shaded. What's shaded right now? Everything from where down? Everything from 2 and down. Do I care about the 0 in this case? Why does the 0 not matter? Because anything 0 and below is already covered by everything that's 2 and below. So algebraically, this is your answer. you don't need to worry about the 0 because it's covered by that. Now this only works for a disjunction. Once again, what's a disjunction? How many things must be true for a disjunction? Only one of them. So remember, with a disjunction, Justin, only one of the two has to be true to be part of the solution set. Look at our fourth one. Here's negative 3.
Can I have Jonathan Canty resume services?
Sure.
Thank you.
Negative 2, negative 1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Everything that's greater, sorry, we're doing the less than first. Everything that's greater than 4, so shade greater than 4, that's off to the right. And now shade everything that's greater than or equal to negative 3. Which way am I shading on this one? To the right as well. What is the blue line about to cover? Everything that we've done so far. So what is your answer? From negative 3 and which way? Up. So as we look at our 4 possibilities, here, an or statement, it could be out. They could cross and be everything. They could overlap and just be the bigger one. They could overlap the other way and just be the smaller one. So with an or statement, it makes a difference which way you're going and how they cover. But the idea is, with an or statement, remember, as the beginning idea, Jalon and Caroline stood up because they were wearing maroon. And then the rest of most of you stood up because you all had laces on. Either one has to be true, not both. Just either one. Okay? All right.